Welcome to second part of Gaming PC Build Parts 2020 session. Today I will provide $400 gaming PC build parts of 2020. So let's get started. The 3400G is a 4-core/8-threader CPU with clock speeds of 3.7 GHz base and 4.2 GHz when under AMD's Precision Boost. The 3400G provides enough power to play low-intensive games such as CS, Go, Fortnite, Dota 2, and Rocket League at 1080p while maintaining smooth, playable FPS. It comes with its own CPU cooler which works great right out of the box and provided cool temps for the most part. Overall, the best APU currently available and one that actually offers good gaming performance as well. We've gone for 16GB of their DDR4 Z1 3000MHz RAM kit in our $400 build. We contemplated putting 8GB in this build, but for the price difference, we thought it was worthwhile opting for double. With this RAM, you'll be able to push pretty much any game you want without trouble. That being said, your CPU will feel the effects long before your RAM does, so you are still limited to what the 3400G can do. We've gone for ADATA's 240GB SSD in this build as we think that's enough to get you up and running. You might need to expand your storage capacity down the road to keep up with demand, but for a start, this is a great SSD to go with. We've gone for an EVGA 450W bronze rated PSU. It isn't going to win any awards for most outstanding PSU, but it certainly does the job and will provide efficiency and safety while you use it. There's no point in skimping on a motherboard at this stage, and that's why we've opted for the MSI B450M PRO-M2 Max motherboard. It not only offers a bunch of features that are geared towards gamers but also comes compatible with Ryzen 3rd Gen CPUs via BIOS update. That being said, it's still effectively an entry-level board but slots nicely into this $400 build. The AeroCool Cylon RGB currently showcases superb value for money and is the perfect option for this $400 gaming build. Even though the case does come with a single 120mm internal fan, I would recommend purchasing a couple of extras to help maximize the airflow potential.